You ever wonder what you're supposed to do with that weird bag of innards and shit that comes inside a supermarket chicken? Well, let me tell you, you're supposed to make gravy. These gems include the neck, the heart, sometimes the liver, and almost always the gizzard, which is actually the stomach, but chicken stomach sounds gross, so we go with gizzard. Now you're gonna take all these gems and put them in a medium-sized pot. This one is 3 quarts. Add 1 cup of good chicken stock. I say good stock because we're gonna reduce this way down. We're basically gonna cook it until it's half gone. The water is gonna boil off and the flavor will intensify, so if the flavor isn't great to start, it'll be twice as not great in the end. I can show you how to make your own chicken stock easy enough here, or you can buy some stock off the shelf, but I recommend going with the best stuff you can reasonably afford. The better the stock, the better the gravy will be. Onward. Turn your heat up to high, let it come to a boil, then back off the heat a bit, but keep it bubbling. Then we're going to add our mirepoix. Mirepoix is a standard blend of chopped onion, carrot, and celery. For our gravy, add 1/2 onion, 1 medium carrot, and 1 stalk of celery, all chopped. Your knife work doesn't have to be beautiful here. None of it's going to be seen in the final product, so don't worry. Smash 1 clove of garlic, 2 if you're into it, and throw that in too. Stir everything together. Keep it moving every now and then, don't let it burn, but you want things to darken and soften a little. Once it's been reduced down a bit, you can add 1/4 cup of dry white wine. Almost every time that I recommend a dry white wine for a recipe, I'm telling you to go with a Sauvignon Blanc. Let this wine boil for about 2 minutes. Then add 3 more cups of chicken stock. You want to reduce this by about half, so make a note of how much stock you start with in the pot. Reducing this down might take around 20 minutes or so. When your stock is reduced, strain everything into a bowl and put the pot back on the heat, this time turned down to about medium or so. We're going to make a quick roux by adding 2 tablespoons of butter to the pot, followed by 2.5 tablespoons of flour. Stir this around, keep it moving, and let it cook until it's on the dark side. How long that takes you depends entirely on your heat, so I won't try to guess for you. With the heat I'm using here, I'd figure maybe it'll take me about 10 minutes or so on medium to get the roux that I'm looking for. Okay, so it took me 6 minutes, but the roux looks like this. Not blonde, not super dark. When it's about this color, return your reduced stock to the pot. Turn the heat to low, whisk it all together, and let it slowly thicken for about 5 minutes or so. Taste for salt. I didn't have you add salt earlier because if you're using store-bought chicken stock, it could already have salt in it. So taste for salt now. Maybe hit it with some black pepper and you're all set. Get yourself a gravy boat and set sail. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If I was able to help you out today, you can help me by subscribing and hitting like. Now go chug some gravy. Peace.